Next tayo, large XL floral, 250 floral. Large XL floral, 250 floral. Large XL floral. Large XL floral. Lakma, tsaka Chloe 300. Chloe 300. Ay, sorry. Floral, large XL floral. Another padded. Branded ito na, ano? Large XL padded uli. Large XL padded, 250 padded. Large XL padded. Smocking ang likod. Large XL padded. Large XL padded. 250 padded. Large XL padded dress. Smocking uli yung likod. Smocking likod. Zeldy 300 Zeldy. Smocking likod. Medium na dress, pa-code smock. Medium on tag, smock. Medium smock, 250, medium smock. Medium on tag, smock, 250, smock, 250, medium on tag, smock. Old Navy ang brand, smocking likod. Ay, ang ganda nito. Smocking likod. Small to med dahon, 250 dahon. Branded by Old Navy, small to med dahon, small to med dahon. Smocking likod, small to med dahon, small to med dahon. O, one-sided ang atake. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na to. Small to med, pamain ako. Boho, small to med, boho. 250 boho, atake, oh. Small to med, boho, 250 boho. Small to med, boho. Pa-tube dress, knitted sa taas, eyelet sa baba. Knitted sa taas, sa baba, eyelet. Makapal tela. Small to med, eyelet, 250 eyelet. Small med, eyelet. 250 eyelet, 250 eyelet. Ang ganda nito. Smocking. Ganda. Pa-smocking ha, ang ganda. Large XL self-tie, 250 self-tie. Large XL self-tie. 250 self-tie na gusot lang. Large XL self-tie. Basta, bagong-bago, nagusot lang po yan. Bagong-bago, large XL self-tie, large XL self-tie, pa-smocking, atake, ang ganda. Here's tong eyelet, Chloe 250 Chloe. Ang ganda, bagong-bago po, ayan. Sobrang ganda nito. Eyelet, large XL eyelet, large XL eyelet. Hazel Gracia, 1-3 Hazel Gracia. Ay, lock ni Christy Redon pala. Lock Redon, Lock Redon. 1-3, 1-3, Lock Redon. Premium na premium. Premium na dress. Large size, hindi stretchy, premium. Premium large, not stretchy, premium large. 250, premium large. Large XL smock, 250 smock. Large to XL smock. Large to XL smock, large to XL smock. Old Navy, smocking likod. Hazel Gracia Premium. 1-3 Hazel Gracia. Old Navy, smocking ang likod. Ang ganda ito. Small to med navy. 250 navy, small to med navy, 250 navy. Old Navy brand, small to med navy, small to med navy. Next, smocking likod, Old Navy uli. Small size, extra small to small, pula, mine pula. Extra small to small, pula, 250 pula, from Old Navy, pula. smocking likod, large to XL. Code na lang ako dito. Ang mga large to XL branded. 250 branded, large XL branded, large XL branded. Old Navy, smocking likod, large XL branded, large XL branded. 250 branded, large to XL branded, large XL branded. Trixie ang brand. Sobrang ganda na ito. Trixie. Large XL. Pamine. Puff. Apakaganda. 250 puff. Trixie large to XL. 250 puff. 250 puff. Trixie pang large to XL. 250 puff. 250 pamine puff. Biars Edna. 13123 Biars Edna. Lipa, Batangas. Large XL puff. Large XL puff. Pamain ako dito ng puff, pang mga large XL puff, large XL puff. Lock po ni Hazel Gracia. Lock Hazel Gracia, Lock Hazel Gracia. Pasmocking. Medium size smock. 250 smock pang mga medium. 250 smock pang mga medium. Smocking likod. Size po nito ay small to medium pamine rust. 250 rust. Small to med rust. 250 pamine rust. Small to med rust. Small to med rust. Atake, ang ganda nito. Lilyful. Grabe. Small size, hindi stretchy. May butones sa likod, ilalak na ganyan. Branded by Lilyful, pang mga small, hindi stretchy, Ruffles. 250 Ruffles small, 250 Ruffles pang mga small. Ruffles small, Ruffles small. Robbie Jane. New minor, makaka-DP ka 300 DP. Comment yes if makaka-DP ka 300. H&M. Branded by H&M. Pang mga medium. Pamain ako dito ng H&M. Pang mga medium. Ay, ang ganda. H&M 250. H&M 250. Pang mga medium. 250 HM.